Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to solve network error problem in Capcut PC. So the process is very easy and simple, so let's get started. So let's first talk about why this error occurs. So Capcut is not allowed in some countries, so that's why this option occurs. So what we're gonna do, how to solve this problem is by installing a VPN. So what you can do is download premium VPN and buy that, and the second option is a free option to set up a free VPN. So what we're gonna do is set up a free VPN. So let's type VPN in the search bar. And in here, we're gonna click on add VPN connection. And as we can see, we are redirected to this page. And what we're gonna do is click on VPN provider and click on Windows built-in. And in connection name, so I named VPN for Capcut. So in the server name and address, what we're gonna do is go to our browser real quick and go to VPN gate. Let's type VPN gate in the search bar and click it. And let's click on the first website that pops up. And now we can scroll down. So I will copy the bold text here. You can select any of them. And in server and name or address, we're gonna paste that. And in the VPN type, what we're gonna do is select Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, SSTP. So let's do that. And in type of sign-in info, what we're gonna do is select username and password. So it will now require username and password. So what we're gonna do is go back to VPN Gate website and scroll up a little bit. And as you can see here, it has given us username and password, VPN and VPN again. Both are VPN. So what we're gonna do is type VPN in the both bars. So what we're gonna do is click on save here. And as we can see, now we have the VPN setup. So what we're gonna do is click on that and connect. And as we can see, we are connected here. So that was it guys. The process was very easy and simple. So if you found this video tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up. And thanks for watching.